I don't know about you, but I cannot work out with a growling stomach. So let's fix that. Hey y'all, hey, it's Ashley Renne, and welcome back to my Green Living channel where I show you sustainable ways to have a healthier body, home, and planet. Now today I'm bringing you my go-to recipes for energizing pre-workout snacks. It is a myth that you shouldn't eat before a workout. You absolutely can. And in my case, I just don't perform as well on an empty stomach. Now everybody is different. You have to do what works for you, but this is what works for me. We wake up at 5 a.m. every day to work out, and I need an energy boost. The type of snack you eat can be the difference between collapsing to the floor halfway through your workout or pushing through and getting it done. I find that snacks packed with protein and fiber-rich carbohydrates are perfect foods for energy. And with the ones I'm about to share, there's no baking involved. So let's begin. First up, we got energy bites. For this snack, dates are that magical ingredient. They're packed with slow-burning carbs to help fuel your workout. First, you're gonna soak your dates in a bowl for a couple of minutes just to soften them up a bit. Then, in a food processor or a blender, add coconut shreds, cacao powder, and add just a pinch of sea salt to help bring out that flavor. Now pop that lid on and start blending. You want to blend it just until it's kind of got this sandy texture to it. Not powdery, but sandy or, crumbly. Next, throw in those dates that you set aside to soak. And this is what's going to give it that stickiness. Now don't over blend because you don't want it to be a paste, y'all. You want it to have a dough-like consistency. Like voila. See that right there? That's that magic. Now, take that doughy mixture and form them into balls. If you want them to be less sticky, you can gently roll them into a little bit of cacao powder. It'll kind of make them look like a powdered donut. Or, if you don't mind the stickiness, don't worry about it. You don't have to do that at all. If you want to make it extra fun, you can even add some dark chocolate chips. No matter which of these methods you choose, they'll all be magical. Next up, we have oatmeal jars. So we're gonna build our jar starting with some rolled oats. The fiber and protein in oats are sure to give you an energy kick. Then add some ground flaxseed, which has energy boosting omega-3 fatty acids. Mix in some cacao powder. That is one of my favorite superfoods, y'all. A little bit of maple syrup next for sweetness, some chia seeds for its healthy fats, some blackberries and blueberries for antioxidants. Now heat up some water and pour it into the jar until it's about 3/4 full. And then you can just fill the rest with your favorite fruits. And boom, see that right there? That's that magic. Last but not least, a crazy simple energizing spread. In a bowl, add your favorite nut butter. Peanut butter, almond butter, whatever butter you prefer. Sprinkle in some cacao powder, which is high in antioxidants and healthy fats to help keep us energized. And don't forget that maple syrup, y'all, for some extra sweetness. Give it a good mix. Mix. And then you can add just a little bit of plant-based milk to make the consistency of your spread smoother. This is a yummy energizing spread that you can add to a bagel or maybe some toast with a few banana slices, or you can cut up an apple and spread it on each slice. Store any extra in a jar to keep it fresh. And voila, there you have it. I hope these fantastically simple snacks gave you some energy boosting ideas to help you slay those workouts in the morning. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe for more vegan and sustainable lifestyle videos headed your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay green, y'all. Trying to make sure this camera angle is right. I love apples. Oh, my head is cut all the way off.